Hi friends, welcome back. It's Cheyenne, and today we're going to be making Claire Saffitz's almond butter banana bread. This recipe was super easy and super delicious, so stick around if you're interested in seeing how I made it. To start off, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of almond butter into a small bowl. After that, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of sugar as well as 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then you're going to stir that mixture together until it's nice and smooth. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to combine 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of Diamond Crystal kosher salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. You're going to whisk those ingredients together to combine, then set the bowl aside. In a medium bowl, you're going to crack in 2 eggs, then you're going to whisk them together in order to break up the egg white and the egg yolk. To the eggs, you're going to add in 2/3 cup of sugar, then you're going to whisk that together until it is smooth and thickened. Next, add in 1 cup of mashed banana, or about 2 very ripe large bananas, 1/3 cup of plain whole milk Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 cup of almond butter, and half a cup of coconut oil. Once you've added all those together, you're going to whisk vigorously until the mixture is nice and smooth. Pour the banana mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients and whisk gently until you have a nice smooth batter with no dry spots. If you choose to, you can also add in half a cup of unsalted roasted almonds at this point, and then you'll just fold those in with a spatula. Once your batter is well incorporated, you're going to go ahead and scoop all of that into a prepared loaf pan and then smooth out the top using a spatula. After that's done, you can go ahead and start scooping your almond butter mixture from earlier kind of randomly over the top of your batter. Mine was kind of loose, so it kind of ended up merging together, but that's no biggie. Once you're done scooping that on there, you're just going to take a toothpick or the tip of a knife, whatever you prefer, and then swirl it together. Once you're done with that, you can bake the bread in the oven for 60 to 70 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Hi friends, it's the next day, and as you can see, I have my finished banana bread here. I made this last night, so wasn't really in the mood to eat it after dinner, but it makes the perfect breakfast. So let's go ahead and give this a taste. So let me just show you what it's looking like. Very beautiful. It's got nice like golden edges and cooked pretty evenly all the way through, and yeah, it looks delicious. I don't know if you can really see the swirl that well, but yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So break that open. Oh wow, seems very nice and fluffy. I'm very excited to give this a try. So that's really good. I like that a lot. It's not overly sweet by any means, but the banana does come through really nicely. And let's see, can I taste the almond butter? There is some almond butter flavor, especially in the top with that little swirl. I will say I do love the texture of that swirl. It's still like crunchy and kind of adds that nice textural variation. So overall, this is really good. I definitely recommend you give this a try. It's definitely one of the easier recipes in her book to make as well. So as you saw, just a couple of bowls, mix some things together and throw it in the oven. So can't go wrong, and it makes the perfect breakfast. So I hope you all give this a try, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!